Every time I sneezed, I found myself standing in the same spot, but the house felt emptier, and the silence heavier. It started last winter, the first time I sneezed while staring at the family portrait on the mantel. I blinked, and suddenly, the picture was just me, alone, smiling awkwardly. Panic clawed at my chest as I called out to my family, but only my echo answered. The world outside was eerily still, roads deserted, cars abandoned mid-drive. I tried to reverse it, sneezing repeatedly, each time hoping to return to the warmth of my bustling home. Instead, each sneeze pulled me deeper, into universes where I'd find variations of the same haunting emptiness, a birthday party set for one, or a Christmas tree lit for no one. I realized that somewhere, in some universe, every version of my family was obliviously living their lives without me. The sneezes came less frequently, as if